Now let's check. I think this already cooked. So no need to make this cheese become melted. This is enough. So we have to turn off now the flame. And we have to keep this one in serving plate. Alhamdulillah for another day and another recipe again to make today. So these are all the ingredients. 3 slices of bread, and this is spring onions I remove from here, and grated carrots, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper powder, evaporated milk. I use this milk pack. You can use also fresh cows or fresh buffalo milk, but I don't have, so I use this one. And I have one also extra 1 slice cheese and 1 egg, so I separate egg white and egg yolk. So first we have to put this one here in plate or big bowl, and then we have to put this one, and also egg. What is this? Fresh evaporated milk pack. Sorry, nabubulol na. So I use only maybe half cup, and then this salt and black pepper powder. Now we have to mix like this using fork. This is easy and simple breakfast, not only for breakfast. You can make also this one a snack or merienda. And this is good for kids, their lunch box. I add more 1 slice of bread. So I will add this one. I will put more evap milk. I already cut this 1 slice cheese. Now we have to add now this one, spring onions and grated carrots. I think we have to add more evap milk. So this is okay. Now I put already oil here in a non-stick pan. You can use also butter or margarine, but I don't have. So I use cooking oil, any kind of cooking oil. So I will put now this one here. Now we can put now this one, mixed bread with eggs and some grated carrots. Must be fire is slow. Now we have to turn side. Ay, sandali i-arrange ko. I already turned side, so both sides can be cooked nice. Now we have to put now this egg yolk. Now add this sliced cheese. Now we have to cover it and then cook for 3 minutes until this cheese melted. So ito na na-slice ko na. Ayan. Now you can make your own pantulak. It's either coffee, tea, or yung pampalamig. Because this can be breakfast also. So if breakfast, you can make coffee with milk or black coffee. Or if this snack, then you can drink with any kind of beverages like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Dew, or anything. So, I eat only like this. So, ayan ang aking simple na recipe for today. So, tikman natin kung anong lasa. Ayan. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sarap. Mm. Yung dalawang slice na tira. Ipakain ko ito kay Langga mamaya. Kasi yung dalawang slice, one slice kay Fatma at saka sa akin. So mauubos lang ito kasi konti lang naman yung aking ginawa for slices of bread. Para matikman ko din kung anong lasa nito at ma-try ko kung paano paggawa. Napanood ko lang ito sa YouTube. So ito ginaya ko rin. Masarap, parang parang bread pudding ba. Pero yung bread pudding yun may sugar yun, ito salt at saka black pepper yung aking hinalo and some vegetables, yung grated na carrots at saka yung spring onions. Pero masarap din pang breakfast, parisan ng kape o kaya tea o kaya pang snack. Yung pantulak ay yung Pepsi o kaya Coca-Cola.